Hey guys, accidentally disable an app on your Android phone and can't find it out anymore? Don't worry. In this quick step-by-step guide, you will learn exactly how to turn disable app back on using your phone built-in settings. It's simple, fast and work on most Android device without installing anything. Follow along and let's get started now. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the settings page. Once you are in the main settings page, scroll down a little, find the home screen option, tap to open them. In the home screen page, scroll down to the bottom. Here you can find the hide app on home and app screen option or similar name. Click to open them. Here you can find the top menu bar. Look for the hidden app section. Under see the all of hidden app listed there. For example, my phone is calculator listed there. So if you unhide them app, simply tap on the minus sign next to their name, then finally hit the done button at the top and automatically appear the app on your home screen or app door. To check it works, simply return to your home screen, open the app door. Here you can swipe right to left or use the search bar to easily find the app. But however, this process is not work for you. This means your app is currently disabled. To enable it, then don't worry, this is very easy. So go back to the main settings page on your phone, scroll down to the very bottom, look for the apps option, tap to open them. After the apps menu, here you can tap on the 3-line menu icon. After that, choose disable, then hit OK and automatically appear the all of disable app on your phone. Now scroll down a little, find the exact app if you want to appear on your home screen or app door. For example, I am appear YouTube app, so tap on YouTube. Then look at the very bottom. Here you can find the enable button. Simply tap on the and automatically appear the app on your app door. To check it work, return to your home screen, open the app door. Here you can find the pop-up YouTube app listed there. If you decide to, if you want to add the YouTube app icon on your home screen, don't panic. Simply long press it, then swipe it on your home menu and then set as your exact place. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, please like, subscribe and more share easy Android tips every day. See you in the next video. Thanks.